Hello and welcome to another ROFFS update of the ocean conditions using satellite sea surface temperature and ocean color chlorophyll imagery from October 23rd, 2023. Overall, we do continue to see cooling temperatures with the Gulf Stream between 83 and 84 degrees, extending north through the area. We've had some pretty good reports of the wahoo action starting to happen off of Florida and North Carolina, as well as some sailfish action up off of North Carolina. Starting to the south off of the Keys, we can see a relatively large circulation here rotating in a counterclockwise fashion, pulling this cooler water offshore and to the east, which is pinching the Gulf Stream to the south in this area, and then a nice filament of that Gulf Stream associated water inshore off the Key West area. To the north, it's a little bit difficult to see, but we can also see a relatively large rotation through here with the Gulf Stream extending north a little bit further offshore, indicating some eddies off of the South Florida area. Looking to the north, we can again see some smaller rotations through the area. North of Cape Canaveral, a relatively large eddy here off of the Savannah to Jacksonville area, as well as a smaller rotation here off of Charleston, and some rotations here off of Georgetown, circulating some nice water inshore. What appears to be a relatively large eddy off of Cape Fear here, which will be pushing some nice water inshore. We did see some clouds along the eastern side of the Gulf Stream through here, but along the western side of the Gulf Stream, again, some nice eddies pushing some favorable water further inshore. Looking at the corresponding chlorophyll data, we'll zoom in here a little bit. Again, we can see a relatively large circulation here off of the Keys. Again, a large offshore flow and a rotation here off of Key Largo. A number of smaller eddies circulating Gulf Stream water inshore to the southwest, and then a inshore more blended blue to green edge along the 20 to 30 fathom mark. A smaller eddy here as well as here. A relatively large eddy extending off of the Canaveral to Jacksonville area. Again, a relatively large eddy here, circulating some nice water inshore. Some cooler blended water circulating relatively far inshore along northern Florida and southern Georgia, and again off of the Cape Fear to Savannah area, with this more Gulf Stream fed water inshore. In this area, the relatively large eddy we talked about previously off of Cape Fear here. And then again, the clouds also came through for the ocean color imagery, but we can again see some nicer water inshore, certainly indicating wahoo, sailfish, tuna, and some billfish. With that, as always, please give us a call for the most recent analysis for your area. You can reach us at 321-723-5759 via email at fishing@roffs, or place an order online at www.roffs.com. Thank you very much. Tight lines.